Hello guys, it's me Jason Baldosa, your certified home finder. So at this moment guys, let me share to you a story of an agent. He's named Ryan. This is just an encouragement no, about for those people, those individual na nag-commit, no, nag-decide to become an agent of real estate properties. Because I know that some of us, no nga, not all of us nga ni enter ani is naka-catch dayon og clients, right? Daghan na ang uban nga ka-give up na tungod kay naabtan na sila tuig, wala pa gyapon sila sales. Ang uban naabtan nag 2 years, usa pa sila naka-sales. So not all of us are gifted, no, pagdating sa mga inani. Because of course sa pagsugod pa lang nato, wala gyud ta kayo network, no? Wala kayo tay friends nga put kanang naay capability to buy properties. So at this moment guys, I would like to share to you such an encouragement stories. This is just to inspire everyone. A determined real estate agent with a passion for matching people with their dream homes. Despite facing numerous rejections and setbacks, Ryan refused to give up on his mission. For months, Ryan worked tirelessly, showcasing properties to clients who often didn't meet his expectations. Some were too picky, while others were unrealistic about their budgets. Ryan's colleagues would sometimes joke that he was just searching for a needle in a haystack. One particularly tough day, Ryan's boss sat him down and said, Ryan, maybe it's time to adjust your strategy. You're not closing deals as quickly as others. Ryan listened intently, but remained resolute. I know my clients are out there, he said. I just need to keep searching. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Ryan continued to network, attend open houses, and score online listing. Then one fateful evening, he received a call from a young couple, Sophia and Mark. They were looking for a home with a big backyard for their 2 kids and a short commute to work. Ryan immediately sprang into his action, showcasing properties that fit their criteria. Sophia and Mark were impressed by Ryan's knowledge and enthusiasm. After viewing several homes, they finally found the one. A beautiful house with a spacious backyard and a short walk to park. The couple was overjoyed, and Ryan felt an overwhelming sense of satisfaction. This was what he had been working towards all along. The deal was closed, and Sophia and Mark became one of Ryan's most loyal client families. Ryan's colleagues were amazed by his perseverance and dedication. You found your perfect match, they said. Smiling, Ryan smiled back, knowing that his hard work had paid off. He continued to work with Sophia and Mark, ensuring their home buying experience was nothing but short of exceptional. From that day forward, Ryan's confidence soared. He knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, he would face them head on, always believing that the right client was just around the corner. Ryan's story spread throughout the real estate community, inspiring others to stay committed to their goals. Even when the journey gets tough, his unwavering determination had finally paid off and he had found his perfect client. So inspiring story guys. So in ana guys no nga kita we committed no to be a salesperson, to be a property specialist of a real estate properties. So in ani guys, we are not all as gifted as others. Kaya ang uban bago pang pag-enter client na dayon. Maybe it's just linya pod to nila. No nga inato sila. Yo kita usahay kay kinahanglan pa ta makaagi og mga kanang pagsubok, trials, no, to just test our patience, no, to train us to become better, no, to become the best. Kinahanglan pa ta moagi ana mo nang we just have to be patient. Like Ryan, naabot mo siya pila ka bulan siya nga wala siya ka sales. Sige, katawan na lang gani siya sa iyang mga barkada, mga colleges. Kay kanang mura na daw siya nisulod ko sa kabutang nga perting lisurang bulungon, no? Pero wala gid siya na give up. Wala gid siya na give up. Ryan's continue to do it until he finally meets his perfect one, his perfect client. If you will just continue grinding, maabot ra gid ang time nga ang perfect time, no? Ang right timing para sa imuha kung moabot ra gyud na siya ug willing ka nga mohulat ug willing ka mohatag sa imuhang patience. Pero kung dili ka willing mohatag, you can never reach that destination. We just have to be patient. We have to discover our client's expectation, client's lifestyle para makabalo ta og kanang unsay ilang need, no? Kay every clients, they have their reason nganong mopalit man sila properties. Nganong mopalit man sila ana nga klase nga properties. Unsa man day ilang purpose. Naagi na sila yung mga purpose. So, mao na ato ang mga kinahanglan nga i-discover sa ilaha. No? Atong i-observe ang ilang lifestyle. Kung unsa may ilang lifestyle. Ganahan ni sila og duol sa city. Ganahan ni sila pang-invest ang kanang mga investment properties. Ganahan ni sila pang commercial, no, inana. So we have to observe and discover our clients um lifestyle. There will be no more reason for us to give up, no. We just have to continue this journey, just continue, because one day God will send the perfect one for you, and that one day diha magsugod ang imong confident, no, diha magsugod nga ganahan ka magsigisigi, di na ka ganahang matulog because of that. Tungod kay gitagaan kag rason sa Ginoo nga this is for you whether you like it or not. That's why sometimes padal-an ta ni God og inspiring moment para i-boost ang atong confidence. So inana ra ta diri. We just have to be patient, no? It doesn't mean nga wala naabtan na ko pila ka bulan ayo pa man koy sales. It's okay. Just imagine it, you are just in a training ground, no? Nga naa pa kas training ground. Nga you are preparing yourself to become the best among the best. Discover all the techniques, study everything, attend seminars, kay naaray mga free seminars, no? You just have to be present in there.